traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you as always. And this time for tuning into my 3001st YouTube video. And I thank you all for your participation for all these videos. What did you guys think of my 3000th? What did anyone think of it? We've been waiting for that for a long time, right? People wrote stuff to me. Oscar, in your 3000th, you got to do this, you got to do that. I got so many suggestions about that 3000th video, and I thought, great, I'll put all those suggestions in, and I got a big camera crew together, and then we're going to come in, lights, cameras, green screen, you name it. And then I thought about it, and I said, you know, it's going to cost a small fortune to pay these guys to film this video for us. And I thought, this isn't about me. This is not about any calls the Omni made. This is about you, my loyal audience who's been around for 3,000 and now 1 videos, right? You are the reason why I do this. There's no reason for me to be here without you. So instead of giving that money to a film crew, I thought I would do this. For anybody who wants to come to my next OmniCamp, I will give you a 25% discount. I'll give that money to you instead of giving it out to a film crew. Anyone that wants to join camp, you have until December 15th. You go to OMNIBootcamp.com, fill out that application, tell me you've seen the 3000th video, and that's why you filled out the application, and you get a 25% discount on OmniCamp. How's that, guys, huh? That's how we'll spend that money instead. We will spend it on my loyal OMNIACs. You deserve it. The film crew's great, but you deserve it more. So thank you for everything that you do, and I will be here to help you, as always, to help us all get through these rough and tumble markets. Trading is difficult. We should know that. If you don't know that, you should know this. Put your stops in. Put them in first. Never trade without stops. So we are going to do... You know, we're going to talk about the S&P tonight. We're going to talk about how the S&P, the NASDAQ, crypto, and metals are all still rocking bullish. Green Omni. Santa Claus is coming to town. Kids clap again for that. I promise you it's coming. We've been waiting. I will say this. In my 43 years of watching, the only time we don't get the Santa rally is if it's an actual bad year, which there aren't that many, where we're having a downward bearish market. A lot of times you don't get the Santa rally in that year, but we're having a strong market. We just made new highs recently, came off, heading back towards new highs. That tells me we're getting that Santa rally. I hope it comes, that's for sure. Now, I will say that in order to produce these videos, it does not, I mean, it takes so many people to get these videos done. There's a lot of help, a lot of effort, and I want to thank all of you for what you guys do. In fact, if you don't mind, I'm going to have some of you come up and say hello because they've seen me in all these videos, but they've never seen what happens behind the scenes. So, let's start with Vince. Vince, come on up here and say hello. Vince, great to have you. Vince has been filming me for years and years. I love this guy so much, you have no idea. His kids film me. His family is like my family. Vince, you have anything you want to say? We love you, man. Thank you for everything you do to the OMNIACs.
Thank you for doing what you do. I mean, you know, you've been giving us work for what, over 10 years?
Well, I
appreciate
love
that.
what you guys do, and I love the fact that you help me help this crowd.
Thank you.
Well, thank you. All right, thank you, Vince. All right, now on the other side of Vince is his son David, who films for me as well, just about every night. You know, when we produce these videos, well, that's David. Come on up, David. This is Vince's son. Hello, David. Thank you so much. This is the person that you've seen film, or at least you've seen my films for how many? 3,001? This man's been behind those, almost all of them. Thank you, David. You're so great. We've got a couple of other things. Mikey, get up here. You know my son Mikey, right? The new face of the Omni. Come on up, Mikey! Believe me, he stole my face 24 years ago, refused to give it back, and now he's going to give it to you guys, I promise. Good job, Mikey. Thank you for everything you've been doing. We've got Crypto Kelly. Come on up here, Crypto Kelly. You know the Omni token, Omni trading? You can blame him for that big Omni token right here.
It's his fault. He's
Crypto Kelly. It's his dream. We love Crypto. Thank you for everything you do, brother. He is fantastic. It's because of him that we've been bothered to create that token. Thank you, Crypto. Then there's the whole back end of my system. Everything that we do has to go through, of course, a website, right? There are servers. There's so much work behind that. For years and years, we've had a genius working with us. That is Tony. Tony Tuzo, come on out. There's nobody like Tony. Thank you, man. We love you for what you do.
Well, congratulations. 3,001. It's amazing. Yeah. I think, well, we started at 700 together, around
about 700,
you know?
Absolutely.
And I'll have to say this. Stops are in, emotions are out. If I've heard that once, I heard that 2,999 times. We get it.
Yeah.
All right?
Listen to that.
And if you don't do that, it's just a crapshoot. It's a gamble if you don't do that. And it could go either way. Let me give you some examples. All right? The other day, my girlfriend told me to go long. Boy, did I get her wrong. I lost my pants.
We've got a stand-up comedian here. What else you got for us, brother? Let it roll.
Well, and then after the Jets won the Super Bowl, I bought 100 ounces of gold. I said, I'm not selling till they win again. That was the best trade of my life.
You're going to be rich. You know, so he gave me a Jets joke. You know, I'm the sorriest Jet fan on this planet, right? What else you got for us, Tony?
That's it. That's all I worked out for today.
All right. Thank you for the routine.
See me at 4,001.
Well, thank you for that, Tony. That was great. All right, so listen, we're going to go look at some great charts. That's the best part of these videos. As you know, the education in the charts helps keep you focused, helps keep me focused, and it helps all of us Omniacs figure out what's going to happen during these rough and tumble moves. So I am going to now do my motto. We're all going to say it together, and then we're going to go look at some great charts. Are you with me, kids? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Yeah. All right. Now let's go look at some charts. Traders, the E-mini S&P daily bar chart. I did a webinar a couple of days ago, and in that webinar, I showed you that OTAPMA came to the rescue, and you always got to clap when you see that, right? OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, comes to the rescue. Market moves higher and then gets above the channel. This is where we left off on the holiday. That's E-mini S&P. Take a look at this next one. You've got the NASDAQ. Another tremendous move, bounces off the Omni, and look how far it is now above that channel. This is exactly what we spoke about in the webinar, and this is what's going to lead us to new highs before the year is over. And in the Russell, an even stronger move. It jumped out. It's been out for almost 4 days now above OTAPMA. Russell looks fantastic above the channel, but it continues on. It's happening all over the place. Look at the YM, the Dow. This is the stock market itself. In all honesty, this is really starting to take the lead now. That is just taking off. It didn't spend much time at all under this big blue channel. Hit the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary and just exploded. That looks like it wants to make new highs before the year is over as well. Then we're going to go out a little bit longer term. We're going to go out to the weekly charts and take a look at this, traders. If you're not convinced we're going higher, look at this moving average right here and look at the tremendous hold you get every time you hit this average. It's just a tremendous hold. What happens here? Tariffs get announced. It's the only time we get through the average. Back above the average, immediately starts to run. What do? We just tapped the average. Now, you notice you get a big rally every time you hit that average, right? We haven't hit it in a while, which means we should get a substantial rally out of here. Another good reason to think we'll make new highs, not only in the E-mini S&P, but in your NASDAQ, you've got the same thing going on. Look at this strong channel. Now, these are weekly charts, so these channels are very strong. And you can see bottom, top, gets through the bottom for 1 week only, and here we are back in the channel, looking great. Another reason why we should be expecting the Santa rally. And look at these crazy metals. My goodness. In that webinar, I told you the Omni went bullish silver, right? We were bearish from here. It went bullish here. Look at the crazy move that's happened since. It's not just silver. Look at gold. Gold, if you recall, we identified the top here. The market cracked. The next short we called was here. Market cracked again. Omni got bullish right there, and Omni has remained bullish since. And if we could take out that previous high, like silver just did, you'll see gold take off. So the metals are really starting to pick up, and it's not just silver and gold. Look at gold's, what they would call gold's brother or sister, platinum. Platinum now had a monster move a couple of days ago, or I should say on Thursday. Thursday was Thanksgiving. On Wednesday, major move. Came only for a little brief moment. These are daily bars. A brief moment under that channel, but look what happens after you hold the channel. And we held the channel, held a big hold here. You should get a nice fat rally there as well. So it's happening in your metals, in the indices, and where else? In Bitcoin and your crypto. And listen, traders, I spent a lot of time for the last 15 days telling you where to buy, and I pointed out here, 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 and here. And I put my money where my mouth was. I put all these levels, and we are up to this level right now. Crypto has gotten more bullish. I don't know if the crypto winter is over yet, because my calculations brought us out to about the third week in December. So, 12, 20, somewhere around there, 21, give or take a week. But maybe it's going to happen sooner. Hey, I'll take it. And then there is this. Traders, OMNIACS, thank you so much for what you do. Pump.fun, PumpNIACS, if you will. Crazy thing, but a few days back we showed you that because Solana dropped so much and the Omni token didn't, when Solana heads back up, the Omni token has to go up even if no one else buys it. It has to go up inherently. Look what's happened. People did buy it as well because our OMNIACs are all over this world. We love you guys. But it went up because that's what's supposed to happen. And it looks like Solana and Bitcoin remain bullish. The Omni trading token will continue higher. Now, I will tell you, we're only kicking off for the last couple of weeks, our campaign, advertising campaign. We've got a new ebook out. We're helping this coin in every way. We want to make sure that it continues higher, viable, of course, and we want it to be organic. And that's what's been happening. You know I'm behind you, traders. When you come out and buy that token, I'm right there buying it behind you. So keep doing what you're doing. We love you, OMNIACS. Thank you for everything you do. Viva la Omni token.